What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's episode, today we are at Desert Breeze Skate Park, and this is actually the Ashton Kelley local. So if you've ever seen one of his videos, then you've probably seen this park before, but today I'm just here with my friend and we're just filming some clips for my YouTube channel, and I kind of just wanted this to be a normal day at the skate park, nothing special really. I know that you guys know I'm not the best skater ever, but I'm kind of like that friend that's gradually getting better with you and that keeps inspiring you and motivating you to keep going outside and to keep skateboarding. Of course, you know, that's kind of what my channel is really built on. So this is kind of like a raw edit, a lot of failures, a lot of falls and things like that, but it's also a progression and to show you guys the reality of what it's like to be a skater. You know, it's not perfect tricks every single time. It's failure after failure after failure and try after try after try. So yeah, this is me trying to get a little skate line. So kick flip, back 180, and then fakey big spin around the bend right where the goalpost is. And generally, I'm pretty good at these tricks on flat ground. Like, I have them pretty solid consistently, but I think stringing them together in a line where all three of the tricks are really clean and it just feels smooth and flows smoothly is the hard part. And I think it just takes a matter of tries, but also a matter of practice. And it's just practice, practice, practice. You know, that's just what it takes. Keep going until you get one that feels nice and one that you'll be happy with, you know. So I also think that you shouldn't get stuck on perfection and that you shouldn't beat yourself up over trying and trying and trying something until you get it just right, because sometimes it never happens. Sometimes you're just not ready enough and you just need a little bit more practice. And the thing about skateboarding is that you can't really rush it. You know, you can't just force yourself to be better. You have to work through every single struggle and every single try, every single attempt, and you're gonna need every single failure to be able to do the perfect attempt. So don't rush the process, just keep trying, keep practicing until you get it. You guys know how it goes. Yeah, this is me practicing some tray flips, and I'm actually starting to get pretty consistent with this trick, but in my opinion, they're just not quite perfect just yet. Like, they look good, but they're not up to my standards, and it's all good. You know, like I just said, can't rush the process, right? And I'll get there, you know, I'll get them to look and feel exactly how I want them. But for now, they look good, and soon I'll take them down some stair gaps and some drops, and yeah, I'm super excited because the tray flip is a beast, and I know a lot of people want that trick. So I've also been trying to learn how to skate things other than just flat ground. You know, I've been trying to get better at skating obstacles, especially the ledge, the flat ledge and the flat bar. Two obstacles that I want to get really, really good at. And mainly because I want to be able to skate stair gaps and handrails and hubbas. I always thought that style of street skating just always looked cool, but you know, when you're rolling up to a stair gap, you're like, dude, this seems impossible. So, you know, but the way to do it is you gotta work on your flat and you gotta work your way up. So
we're gonna try to crook. I've been battling this trick, man. I've never landed it, but we're gonna land it today. This is a nice ledge, so. Yeah, see? I can walk it. I just have to, when I get up there, I just have to like, and then I can like come back down. But that's the hardest part. Yeah, like that. Another thing my friend told me is to stay on the outside. So like, you kind of just have your foot, but your shoulders and your body stay on the outside of the ledge. So that gives you the leverage to kind of like pull it out, but it's hard, man. I guess we're just gonna have to try it. Yeah, like right here. Yeah, yeah, like really good. Yeah, that's what I'm like that. Yeah. The thing about this grind is that you have to pinch. It's not like a pinch up here. It's more like a pinch sideways, like this, like outward. Yeah. And like you're kind of really crooked. So I don't know. Works? Nah.
crooks is one of those tricks that I always thought looked super, super cool, and it's just something that I never thought that I'd actually ever be able to do. And now that I've been practicing and I'm actually starting to get much more consistent with them, it just feels so crazy. It just feels like I'm accomplishing something that once felt impossible, and I'm overcoming that, and that feeling alone is just something that I can't explain. And that's why I think skateboarding is so cool, that it gives you a feeling that money can't buy. You know, like me landing that crook for the first time ever was a feeling that is priceless, and that's just what's so special to me. But now I want to practice doing some tricks off of this kicker, and I'm pretty good at doing my basics on flat ground, and I'm pretty comfortable with them. But when I took them to the kicker, it completely changed the dynamic for me. Like, it did not feel the same. It just felt a lot harder, and it made it just a bit more complex. And I think what it is that you have to really kick and push the board forward to keep it under you. Otherwise, it's just gonna fall behind you and you're not gonna stay on top of it. So it was just a struggle for me. You know, I thought kick flips were gonna be really easy, but it turned out being a pretty hard trick. Check out this one. My glasses fall into my lap. I still roll away, and I still catch my glasses. I just thought that was just a wild one. But yeah, this kickflip was a struggle, and I thought it was gonna be easy, but I ended up, you know, having to take a lot of attempts for it, and just to keep trying and trying and trying. But eventually I got this one, and I was really happy, and it just felt so nice, and it's definitely an accomplishment, you know, after landing a trick. So I don't know, it just feels really good. And yeah, I also think board slides just feel really good and satisfying. Also, just a really easy and fun trick. Front boards is one that I really enjoy. They feel cool, they look cool, and they're one that I really want to get down a handrail. I hope that I can do one this nice down a handrail. I feel like that would be just really cool. It would make me happy. And lastly, just a nice little stair gap. For now, I'm only going to do an ollie, but eventually I want to work up to doing really nice kick flips and tray flips and just things like that. And yeah, but it takes a lot of practice. So that's the session. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to drop me a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.